Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Set Info channel. Today I would show you how to delay clicks on your OPPO A2. Our first step to delay clicks on this device is from main menu we must navigate to the settings. In it we look for additional settings function option and there accessibility. In it we press on interaction and there we have touch and hold delay, which we can change from short to medium and long. And when we press long, it can be helped when we touch the screen by chance, and until strong and long push, it won't open anything you want. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.